Beloved Hazur, we know that Khulafā are chosen by Allah. How can we prove this to non-Ahmadis when they say that our Khalifa is elected by humans?
You see, Allah Ta'ala uses human beings, and Allah Ta'ala puts in the hearts of the people. There are quite a number of members of the electoral college who elect the Khalifa. Even in my election, I was not known to everybody. I think not more than 5% people had the knowledge about me. And even there were some Arabs and some foreigners, Africans, they say, suddenly something happened that Allah Ta'ala put in their hearts that you should try to raise your hand in favor of this person. So, although the people choose the person, but it is Allah Ta'ala who puts in their hearts, and there are quite a good number of narrations and expression of different people, those who have expressed how did they feel during the election and what happened. And if you read that, increase your knowledge first, then you can satisfy your non-Ahmadi friends or even your own fellow Khudam members. There are quite a number of Khudam al-Ahmadiyya who are also not very much clear about it. They have some doubts in their minds. So you will have to remove their doubts. First thing is you read and then remove their doubts. So even in the Quran, it is said there are different ways. Sometimes Allah Ta'ala Himself appoints somebody as prophets. Sometimes it is through some people. And that is what we see in the history of Islam. Who chose Hazrat Abu Bakr? There was a conflict between Ansar and Muhajir, those who wanted to choose their Khalifa from their own tribes, from their own nation. Ansar were saying that we shall choose our Khalifa from among Ansar. Muhajirin were saying, no, we shall choose our Khalifa from among Muhajirin. Then Hazrat Umar spoke, or Hazrat Abu Bakr spoke on this issue, and later on they amicably came to the conclusion that, okay, we shall do the Bay'at of Hazrat Abu Bakr. The same thing happened during the election of Hazrat Umar. And this is the Islamic history. And that is being followed here in our system. Yeah? We have not adopted a new system. We are following the same old system. Okay? If it is for non-Ahmadi Muslims, you can tell them that you say Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Uthman, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Umar were chosen Khulafā. They were all chosen by human beings. So in the same way, the Khulafā of Ahmadiyya are chosen. If they are Christians or other people, then you will have to explain to them, because there are quite a number of evidences and there is quite a number of people which say that all of a sudden it came to our heart that we should vote in the favor of this person. So it is the decree of Allah Ta'ala, and He puts in the hearts of the people. Right?
اے شخص تو جان